Welcome to Sellora, your global e-commerce partner. Are you a seller aiming to boost your visibility and drive more engagement for your products? Then it's time to explore one of the most powerful tools in your marketing toolkit, display ads.
What are display ads? Display ads are visual advertisements, including static banners and short promotional videos, that appear across high-traffic areas of the Sellora platform. These aren't just any ads. They're strategically placed to catch the eyes of millions of buyers right on the homepage, category pages, search results, and even inside product detail pages. Why use display ads? Display ads are all about visibility. They're designed to make your brand stand out, especially in competitive product categories. Here's how they help. Build brand awareness. Introduce your brand to new customers at a glance. Increase product discovery. Drive more clicks to your catalog or featured listings. Highlight deals and offers. Showcase discounts, new arrivals, or limited time events. Who should use display ads? Display advertising is perfect for sellers who are launching a new brand or product, want to promote exclusive deals, are preparing for peak sale seasons, or simply want more people to recognize their brand. Tips for effective display ads. To get the most out of your display ad campaign, keep these tips in mind. Use high-quality visuals. Keep your message short and clear. Make sure your branding is consistent across creatives. Test and optimize based on performance reports. Display ads on Sellora are more than just digital billboards. They're a powerful way to get noticed, build your audience, and grow your sales. Ready to make your brand unmissable? Log into your seller dashboard and start your display ad campaign today. Sellora. Promote, grow, succeed.